Hello and welcome to the second Gearify Screensaver tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to explain the basic general settings of the screensaver. This information is also available in the user manual, which you can find on the tutorials link on my website www.gearifyscreensaver.com. But I will just go over them here for people who don't like to read. So in your Windows Screensaver Select menu, under Gearify Screensaver, you click Settings, and this will bring up our Gearify Screensaver Settings window, or user interface. So the tabs up here, these relate to if you're designing gears with scripts or if you're designing them with images. There's the activation tab, which is explained in the last tutorial. Probably don't need to worry about that anymore. And there's the restore defaults tab for if you want to go back to your original settings. But the general settings, which I'm going to focus on in this tutorial, are over here on the right. They apply to pretty much everything, whether it's a gear designed with an image or with a script. So basically, whenever it's time for a new gear to be created, a random selection is made as to whether or not it's going to generate a gear from an image or from a script. You specify the likelihood of each. By default, 75% of your gears will be generated from the scripts, 25% from images, and you can modify these to be whatever you want. If you want just images, you could just make 100% for images, and you can see the other value went to 0. Pretty simple. Now we have gear fill color and textures. So whenever gears are generated, a random drawing is made as to whether or not it will just paint a solid color inside the gear, which is a randomly selected color, or if it will use one of the images in your texture folder to fill the inside of the gear. By default, 75% of the time, it will use an image. I just think it looks better. You can customize where you keep your textures. So if you want to upload your own set of textures, you can put them all into a folder and then just click Browse, and you can navigate to wherever you have your folder. Here I have a textures file. Just click OK. There we go. So pretty simple. You just set the folder where it gets the textures from. Very similar for background. 25% of the time, the background will be a solid color. This is not random, this is just the color that you pick. And the other 75% of the time, the background will be chosen from a folder with a bunch of images. And that background folder you can set yourself. And you can put as many images as you want in there, and it will just cycle through them. And that's all there is to it for the general settings. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and stay tuned for more information about how to create gears with scripts and how to create them with images. Thank you.